Okay, folks, I think I have found either an old hall, very fancy old hall if it is, or an old movie theatre maybe. I'm thinking maybe old theatre because it seems a bit too fancy for an old hall. Plus it's got this big giant awning out the front. I haven't checked inside at all. So, ow, ow, ow. Bear with me. Well, okay. It's an old theatre. Cool. Looks like the local kids obviously have been in here. This reminds me very much, actually, very much of the old hall. When I was about 3 years old, very similar. Oh, it's all taking me back. I'm having flashbacks. Taking me back when I was about 3 years old in the old hall that I used to live in a place called Cattai, and Cattai, New South Wales, Australia. And I remember at Christmas time, they had the huge Christmas tree, natural pine, chopped it down. And I still remember the pine smell to this day, all nicely decorated. Going up the stairs, and Santa was sitting up on the stage, and I remember pulling his beard down, and I'm pretty sure I told him he had bad breath. I'm pretty sure. Very similar. Mind you, they probably would have built a dime a dozen. These old places. All right, let's go and have a look. Oh, retracing my childhood steps. That'd be a bloody idiot. All right. Oh, there's a door there. Okay. Right, let's have a look. Okay. Door hat. Smells funny in here. The old spy hatches to see what people were doing. Thought the actors to be hiding in here. Get the fuck out of town. Right, I'm just going to try and move this door. Bear with me a sec. You're just going to see blank for a second. Hang on. See that. Come on, focus. I can't see it read the person's name properly. It could be Evelyn, I'm not sure. 15th of the 6th, 1934. Look at that. I can't read any other. Oh. There's, oh, there you go. 1934. I wasn't expecting, I don't know what I was expecting. I really should keep shit in my pocket, torches and stuff. Alright. You read that? $1939. For real? I don't know. For real? I don't know. Oh my God. If I had a torch, it'd probably wash out the writing anyway. Lovely Jenny, she played number 2 fiddle. Jester. Lone was in Armidale but played drums anyway, bless. Okay, you got up there. 49. 22nd of the 3rd, 49. Cool. Sweet as. What's in here? Oh. Okay. Right, let's go and have a look. It does. It takes me back so much. And you used to come in a door. I think in the side. Something stinks in here. It smells like piss. Possum pee or something. Don't know. Oh, I've got to stop saying I don't know in my videos. All right. Okay, so here would have been the intermission hall, maybe? Where, what would you like, madam? I would love a lemonade and slice of cake, thank you very much. Probably did too, you know. It'd be nice if this was real, but I don't think this is real. Oh, 2013. Okay, well that is real. Right. So this would have been their kitchen for refreshments for their patrons. That probably had some form of cooker in there to heat pies, sausage rolls. It does stink like pee in here. It's interesting that it's not painted. It hasn't been painted in here. Groovy. Let's have a look this way. You can see the old chimney there. Still in quite good condition for its age. Okay. And the absolute bare necessities. Or was that ripped off? The lights wouldn't still be there. This, yeah. The bare necessities. Corrugated tin, that was it. I don't know why they decided to put, oh, because they had some form of wall here. You can see where the notches are. Okay. So, I don't know what this one was for. A reception room, don't know, a lounge maybe, could be. So there's your entrance hall, entrance door. Do come inside. Madam would be standing in the counter. And you'd be asking for 2 tickets, please. And she's got her little booth in here. Oh, cute. Very, very cute. In really quite good condition, like I said. Some of the shutters Yeah, and sort of falling off, that sort of thing, but another bit of our history just crumbling away to nothing. That's so cool that it's taken me back to my childhood though. That was cute. Okay, so the old hall, hey? Take you back to your childhood and your childhood memories. Oh. Well, there you go, folks. The old town hall. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like and enjoy my videos, please do subscribe. And if you enjoy urban exploration throughout northern New South Wales of Australia, show me around. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.